Here's number 4. Okay. Let's see if you guys can try it on your own. It looks a lot like example. Yep, but what's the difference? Yep, 5 is first and then 3. Yep. So, since the numerator is 5, that's what we're going to put first. And then we'll put 3, because that's the denominator. And then, you know, I gave it to you. I didn't expect you to know it. Yes. Go ahead. Yep. Okay, here we go. Can you rewrite 15 as a base, like 3 squared, 5 squared? Okay, so that means you're going to have to write it probably as a multiplication problem. So these are the numbers that you're going to try. You're going to try to use like an even number. That's something you could write as 2, a 3, or a 5. What does 15 work out to be? 3 times 5. So we would do log base 2 of 3 times 5. Now, you guys, it does not matter the order of 3 and 5. It just, in division it matters, but not in multiplication. Now, we learned the product rule. The product rule says if you have a multiplication problem, you can rewrite it as an addition. So log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 5. And you know what I'm going to ask you, right? Every time you do a problem, you guys, I want you to ask yourself, is this something that she would expect me to know, or is it something that she gave me? She gave me log base 2 of 3, which is 1.5850, and I gave you log base 2 of 5, which is 2.3219, and I can add those, and what do I get?
Wait, so when it's division, well, when it's a fraction, you divide, and then when it's
Yes.
multiplication,
Yes, so in the division problem, when it was a fraction, we subtracted, and when it's a multiplication problem, we add. Okay, and what do you get? Okay.
3.9069.
Does that make sense to you guys? Again, you guys, I apologize. I wish I would have done this on Tuesday. Would have made things so much simpler. Okay. Okay. So 45. The question is, can you rewrite it as a base? Like 3 squared, 3 to the third, 3 to the fifth. Can you rewrite it as 5 squared, 5 to the fifth? No. Nothing is going to give that to you. So next thing that you have to look at is, can I write it as a multiplication problem? How can I write it? So we're going to do log base 2 of 5 times 9. You guys, again, it doesn't matter the order. I always put the smallest number first. I don't know why. It's just a preference of mine. That doesn't mean that that's how you have to write it. Okay. How do you rewrite a multiplication problem? Yep, and say it. Go ahead.
Log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of 5.
Okay. Log base 2 of 5, I gave to you. Log base 2 of 9, that's nowhere. So that means you're going to have to ask yourself, there's something I'm supposed to do with this, because it doesn't look like log base 2 of 3. So how can I rewrite that? Yep, so we're going to rewrite this as log base 2 to 3 to the second power. And now what can I do? Yes, we need to put the 2 in front of log. Now you can see, oh, I know log base 2 of 3 because she gave it to us. Blah, 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 blah. That's me. Okay, log base 2 of 5 is 2.3219. This becomes 2 times what?
1.5890.
And what is your final answer?
5.4919.
Okay. How you doing? Is it starting to make like a little bit more sense? Okay. Okay, so number 7. What do you think I'm going to ask you?
Can you find a base?
Can I find a base of? Yes, can I rewrite 75 as a base? Okay, can I? No. So what am I going to change it to? To what? Multiplication, what am I going to use? 5 and 15?
3 and 25.
3 and 25. There's nothing wrong with 5 and 15. You would just have to break up 15 again. So there's nothing wrong with that. I like 25 and 3 a little bit better, but you can do it as 5 and 15. You would just have to break it up one more time and you'd have one long addition problem. So it's really up to you, but you can use 5 and 15. Okay? I liked 5 and 3. Yes, 25 and 3. So, John, with yours, you would have done log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of 3 again. That would have been a long addition problem because you said 15, right? So you'd have to change 15 into 3 and 5 again.
Should we repeat base 2 of 3 twice?
Yes, because I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so this becomes a what? Correct? Okay, what happens with the 25? Okay. Then what happens?
2 log base 2.
So now, after a while now, right? Okay, she gave me that. So this would be 1.5850. This would become 2 times 3219. And what would our answer be? What is it? 6.88.